Okay, hello YouTube. Today we are having another Nerf battle, and if you notice, I'm actually a different person than the other guy because I'm actually the owner of this account. So I'm gonna actually try uploading because that was with my friend. But I'm gonna try making mostly Nerf battles with my friend who is being retarded and putting a scope on a pistol. And we're gonna have a fight.
So it doesn't matter. You have a scope anyway.
Okay, so you ready, Paul? Hurry up then. You ready? Ready, set, go. Haha, you missed, bro. Okay, I think I kind of win. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. That was a really short battle. Thanks. Please subscribe, like, favorite, all that good stuff.